Hi everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Ritika and today we are diving into the
Top 3 Booking Management Plugins.
for WordPress. If you are looking for a simple way to manage appointments, reservations, or any type of bookings on your website, these plugins will do the job. Let's dive right in. Number 1, Amelia. This powerful booking plugin is designed for all kind of businesses from saloon to consultants. With features like calendar integration, real-time notification and support for multiple employees, Amelia keeps everything organized and easy for both you and your clients. Number 2, simply schedule appointments. This plugin offers a clean, user-friendly interface where clients can easily book appointments. It's packed with customization options like buffer times, business hours, and flexible availability. Perfect for service-based businesses that need a streamlined appointment setup. Number 3, Appointment Hour Booking. This plugin is designed for scheduling time-based booking, making it ideal for consultation, classes, or any time-sensitive appointment. You can customize start times and duration, ensuring clients get exactly the time they need. These plugins make it simple to manage bookings, stay organized, and provide a seamless experience for your clients. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Buddy Developers for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.